In this video, we'll create the thread page. I'll create a new folder named thread, and in it 3 files. The thread.html, which is the page loaded, the thread.css to save my styles, and the thread list, which will be the element loaded in the page. In the thread.css, I'll add some custom CSS. You can find this code in the demo files of this module, or in the polymerdashboard.com project. And in the thread.html, I'll load the thread list element with the link tag and add the thread list element in my page as well. In the thread list element page, I'll insert the standard element boilerplate code and include the link of the elements I'll be using. I'll include the CSS file and some custom styles using the global CSS variables we have set in the stylings module of the course. Now, the chat page will have 2 sections. The first will loop through the messages and display some data such as the user, the message, and the date time of the message. And it will have a footer section, which will work as an input for us to write our messages, and the send button to trigger the send message event. In the properties section, I'll add the messages array to carry the messages in the thread, a message string, which will be the message we'll be sending from the input tag, our username, and the conversation key. In the bottom of the template element, we have added a getProfile request to trigger automatically, and once we have a response, the getProfile callback method will be triggered. In the getProfile callback, we'll set the username from the response, instantiate the message, and get the username of the person we're chatting with from the URL parameters of the page. Lastly, we'll create the conversation ID, which will be the username of the users in the conversation in alphabetical order. This way, both sides have the same ID while chatting. In this video, we created the basic structure for our chatting mechanism. In the next video, we'll see how we can send and receive data in real time.